What is a breast lift? Who needs one? And what are some of the risks and benefits? So first of all, what is a breast lift? It's an operation where we take tissue that's hanging down and too low and we move it to a higher position. And we also tend to elevate the nipple to a higher position on the breast mount to give a more perky shape and an improved nipple position. Who tends to need a breast lift? Well, some people actually develop with lower breasts and they've actually never had perky breasts. Other people develop sagging over time after having kids, after major weight loss. And some people even want to just correct asymmetry or combine a breast lift with other operations such as breast implants or a tummy tuck. My website has a lot of information on different types of breast lifts, and it's confusing because there are many different choices, but it's important to realize just in general terms that the more skin the surgeon removes and the more tissue that's remodeled in terms of the internal tissue, lifting it and putting it to a higher position, the better overall shape improvement that you'll get. But the downsides of a more involved procedure are additional incisions or scars. So looking at breast lifts, there are ones described where there's just a little tiny bit of skin taken from the top of the nipple called a crescent lift, or all the way around the nipple in a donut shape, or even around and down, which ends up looking like a lollipop scar and perks the breast up more. Some operations have been described where we take skin from just underneath and around the nipple and we avoid the vertical scar. And then there's another operation called the Robin's lift where we take skin from around the nipple down and all the way underneath. So all of these different operations have unique advantages and disadvantages, and it's really important to have a thorough consultation with a surgeon, let them know your expectations, but also have their honest feedback about which operation is going to give you the best results. In terms of recovery and risks and benefits, it is covered in my website. It's really important to see a plastic surgeon and make sure you know about the advantages and disadvantages of the different operations, impact on breastfeeding, short-term and long-term potential problems that can arise from breast lifts, and all of that's discussed in detail during a consultation.